Write each of the following in exponential form. Exponential form means what we have learned, nothing but we have to write in powers. Right? How many times the particular variable or constant is repeated. That number we have to write in the power. Understood? So we have to take this particular variable or constant. That means whatever they have given here, this particular variable or constant. So here they have given variable. So we have to take this variable as base. And then we have to write this power. In power what we have to write? How many times this variable is repeating? That number we have to mention in the power. See here. So in the base you have to write the given variable. After that, how many times it is repeating here? Taken 10 times. 10 times. That means 10 times this A is repeating. That means 10 times we have to multiply this A. Right. That means we can write in the power 10. Here we are multiplying A 10 times. That in short form, using powers, we can write A power 10. This is the exponential form. Write down that one. Exponential form. Exponential form is equal to A power 10. Okay. Now see this problem. 2 into m into m into n into n into n. Here we can find here 1 time 2 given, 2 times m into m they have given. Next n repeated 2 times, 3 times. That means n multiplied 3 times here. So for this 2 the power will be 1. Only one time we are doing here. So the power will be 1 here. And after that into how many times here m repeating here? That means how many times we are multiplying here this m here? See, base you have to write that particular variable. After writing this base, we have to mention this power. How many times this one? 2 times we are multiplying m here. So write down in the power, mention 2. That means we are multiplying m 2 times. Now coming to this n. N how many times you have to write here? Power of n means how many times? 3 times. So in the power place we have to write 3. So for this one I am writing steps here. See here. First, exponential form of m. Form is equal to, so for total I am writing by removing these multiplications. See here 2m square n cube. Here we are nothing we are writing means in between. This is multiplication only. You have to understand that one. 2m square n cube. Okay. Understood now? Here 1 time 2 is repeated. Only 1 time. So we have to write 1 time only. Here m 2 times repeated. So we have to write 2 in the power. Here n 3 times repeated. So we have to write in the power 3. Understood? Now this total will become 2m square n cube. This is the exponential form. Understood? Here see this problem. Write the following in product form. Just reverse what we have done earlier. One expression. We have to write exponential form for that given expression. Now what they have given? They have given product form. That means they have given in exponential form. We have to expand this one. That means we have to write in product form. So completely we have to write. So how multiplication, right? 6 into x square. How many times x repeated here in the power? What is the number we have here? 2. That means 2 times x repeated. So write down 2 times with multiplication symbol. After that, here only multiplication only. Okay. Now y how many times repeated? Y power 3 means how many times y repeated here? 3 times. So write down that one. Y into y 3 times. This is the product form. Okay. So product form. Product form for the given expression will be x into 6 into x into x into y 3 times repeated, y into y. Understood? So in this way you have to expand the given expression. Understood? Now see this one, 2 p cube, q cube or cube. So that means this is also multiplication in simple one. So 2 one time repeated. So write down that one. After that give multiplication symbol. After that p power 3. P power 3. In the power we have 3. That means p is repeated 3 times. So write down 3 times with multiplication symbol. After that go for the next variable q. Q power 3. In the power we have 3. So that means q we have to repeat. We have to multiply q 3 times. So write down 3 times. Now see r cube. That means in the power we have 3. R power 3. R power 3. 3 times r we have to multiply here. So write down that one, r into r into r. That means we have to repeat 3 times. Now see this one. This total will become 2 into p into p into p. 3 times we have completed. After that go for q. Here also q power 3. So we have to repeat 3 times. That means we have to multiply 3 times. After completing this one, go for the next variable, that is r cube. That means in the power we have 3. So we have to multiply r 3 times. So like that you have to complete writing product form. So product form is equal to, this is your product form, 2 into p into p into p, 3 times completed. Next go for the next variable q. Power 3 means q we have to multiply 3 times because we have 3 in the power. Next r cube. Here also in the power we have 3 only. So r you have to repeat. That means you have to multiply 3 times. This is your total product form of the given expression. Understood? In the next class, we will see some more topics. Understood? Okay, thank you.